Welcome back to LTC, Incredible Moments. Dear friends, nature is always a great force, both beautiful and terrifying. When we talk about magical moments in nature, you may immediately think of spectacular phenomena such as the brilliant aurora in the sky, lightning strikes in the middle of a storm, or violent volcanic eruptions. But there are moments so rare that if they were not recorded, we would probably never believe they actually exist. From giant waves that suddenly appear in the middle of the ocean, strange tornadoes carrying lightning, to rare animals appearing at the right time, all are one in a billion events that only luck or advanced recording technology can capture. These moments not only leave us in awe, but also remind us that the natural world contains undiscovered mysteries. So have you ever witnessed a magical moment of nature? Share it in the comments below. And now, let's explore nature's one in a billion moments with LTC, Incredible Moments through the most authentic footage captured by camera.
Oh, they're gonna take me out. That was crazy. Dude, I thought I was done. I thought I was done for sure.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! I got that on video!
Be careful, God.
Oh no!
Rare moments that will make you can't believe your eyes. Dear friends, nature always has a way of making us go from one surprise to another. Sometimes in just a short moment, a rare sight happens, leaving everyone who witnesses it stunned. It could be the moment a bolt of lightning strikes an erupting volcano, creating a scene that is both magical and terrifying. Or a giant iceberg splits in two, creating giant waves in the middle of the ocean. Or even the moment an eagle swoops down to the water, scooping up a fish twice its size in a spectacular way. Such images not only amaze us, but also help us understand more about the power and magic of nature. Sometimes they also raise big questions about the workings of the world that we still cannot answer. Are there other phenomena happening that no one has ever recorded? Do we really understand everything about this planet? Nature has a way of reminding us that the world is full of wonders and surprises. So which moment in today's video left you feeling the most amazed? Comment below so we can discuss. Dear friends, each rare moment that we have just witnessed is not only a spectacular display of nature, but also a powerful reminder of the smallness of humans in the vast universe. Violent storms, giant tsunamis, or strange natural phenomena all show that this world still has countless mysteries that we cannot fully understand. And more importantly, what can we learn from these moments? Nature can bring breathtakingly beautiful scenes, but it can also destroy everything in the blink of an eye. We need to respect and protect the environment because it is the balance of nature that helps humans survive and develop. Rare phenomena are not simply moments of entertainment, but also lessons about adaptation, survival, and the importance of science in studying the world around us. And most importantly, always observe, learn, and ask questions, because only then will we continuously discover new things in life. Nature always has mysteries waiting to be discovered. Are you ready to continue this journey with us? See you in the next video.